Alright, I'm looking at a 32-inch RCS grill. This grill's about 5 years old, and it's about time I've replaced most of the guts in here because they were completely rusted out. These briquette trays cost about $70 a piece. This takes 4 briquette trays. So it's about $280, $300 with tax to replace just the briquette trays. I want to note that RCS has a heat shield that usually goes right here, and that is very expensive to replace. I actually just ended up ripping it out because it was so rusted through. I could just take it apart with my hand, and it had about 4 weld points that I just pried out with a screwdriver. So the only thing left between the briquettes and the flame here is the drip pan. So to replace the heat shield, you'd have to replace this whole box, and RCS wants $400 for that. So you know, to do this whole replacement, it would cost you about $700 at least to replace just the box and the briquette trays, and that doesn't include replacing these burners either. So when you're looking at these grills, you know, the RCS grill, which is about a $1,400 grill, keep in mind that in about 5 years you're going to at least spend $300 to replace the briquette trays. And if you want to replace that heat shield, it's going to cost you another $400. Or you can just rip it out like I did. You would think RCS could make a better design so you could replace that heat shield. It doesn't seem that complicated to do, but for whatever reason they don't do that. And quite honestly, when I found out how much it was going to cost to replace both the briquettes and the heat shield, I almost just took this to the curb and went and got a disposable grill from the big box store. But without the heat shield, you know, $300 to refurbish a $1,400 grill, I didn't think it was too bad of a deal. But I hope RCS, an engineer at RCS, sees this, and maybe they can design this a little bit better so you can replace the heat shield. So there you go.